Hello guys, welcome back to CATIA training. Today I will show you how to create and insert a splice in your wire harness. This is the representation of a splice in CATIA. It's like a small atom. So to create one, let's go to File, New, Product. Okay, let's call it splice 10 because I already created a lot of them. And after that, let's go to Define Connector. It's on the electrical symbol design workbench. So select Define Connector and set the splice product. And on the type, just change for internal splice. It's called splice 10, and it's going to have a length of 20 millimeters. I'll just put 40. Press OK. And after that, just set the new product, your symbol, save. And for those who don't know what is a splice looks something like this here. It's to join wires or terminal loops. Okay, and so after that, open your catalog and add a new family called splices. Remember, just here on the add family comment. After that, just double click on the new family and go to add component. Go to select document and you select your splice that you already created. It's open and press OK. And you can see here the splice is added to the catalog. So you save the catalog and go back to your to your assemble. And one way to insert splice I like to do it is create point. I'm going to create a point where I want to add the splice. So select the curve here. I want to add it at 200 millimeters from the connector. So it's 200. Okay, now we have the point here. After that, just double click on your assemble to insert the splice on this tree and not inside one of the bundles. So open your catalog here, go to your splice family, double click, select the splice you want to add, and just keep pressing your left button of your mouse and drag the splice to the bundle you want to add. And you're going to have this pop-up that you can write the length from, in this case is from this connector, or you can just write the length here or select the point that we just create. Select it and press OK. Now you add your splice to your harness. So we can close the catalog. And another good practice that I like to do it is create the limit points for this splice, because a splice cannot be on a curve or in a breakpoint. So one way to do it, remember we give the properties of 40 millimeters to this splice. So this is going to be the center of the splice where two wires join. So I'm going to create a point from 20 millimeters from here to here. And another point 20 millimeters to the other direction. Let me select the point here, reverse direction, and 20 millimeters here. Okay. So these 2 points are going to be your limit or slice here. And another thing I like to do it to, let me see where is my point here. It's here. Is to change the symbol of these points here. You can go to right click properties go to the graphic tab, go to symbol, and I like to use the double circle to represent splice in my symbol. And I like to change the color for the splice. Okay, just press OK. Now you have 2 points that giving you the limits of this splice. So this, like this, you know you're not in a curve or in a breakpoint. As you can see here, we are okay. And this is the way how to create and insert splice to the harness. So if you have any question, just let me know. And the last thing I want to show you is this document from the Federal Aviation Administrations that gives you how to insert and create splices. So it says to keep a minimum, try to use the minimum of splices, avoid high vibration areas, and these are some errors that happen for bad designs when installing the harness. And just you can read this document if you want to get more skills for design for wire harness. It talks about bend radius, where you can use clamps, how to use splices, good practice for designs. So I'm going to add this link to the video, and well, see you guys later in the next video.